Welcome to the Computer Literacy Center's online instructional video about beginning Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a versatile program with a variety of useful features to support any presentation. My name is Cannon Christensen, and I will guide you through this tutorial. In this video, you will define PowerPoint interface elements, save and close a presentation, open a presentation, and present a slideshow. PowerPoint is a useful program for creating visual aids for presentations. PowerPoint is great for presenting text, pictures, graphs, charts, video, and even audio. It includes many useful features, such as printing handouts and notes for the audience to follow along with. This all comes together to produce a versatile and powerful slideshow. To get started, open PowerPoint and click on Blank Presentation to create a new presentation. Since you will be spending some time in PowerPoint, it will be helpful to explore the menus and features. There are a few key parts of the PowerPoint window that you will want to be familiar with. The buttons in the top left are called the Quick Access Toolbar. These buttons are common or frequently used actions, such as Save, Undo, and Start from Beginning. Next to the Quick Access Toolbar is the Title bar. It displays the title of the currently open document. Because you haven't saved anything yet, it uses the default name, Presentation 1. Next to the title bar is the search bar. The search bar is helpful if you can't remember exactly where the action you want is located, or if you don't know how to perform the action. For example, click on the search bar and type Online Pictures. From this menu, you can either quickly access the tool or find help information about it. Click outside of the search area to close the results. Next, you have the ribbon and tabs. The ribbon is the section at the top of the window that organizes features and commands into tabs. Related actions are grouped together in each tab to make it easy to find what you are looking for. For example, the Home tab shows frequently used features such as font, font size, font color, and paragraph spacing and alignment options. The Insert tab includes options to insert content, such as pictures, videos, tables, and text boxes. The Design tab lets you change the theme, slide size, and background. Feel free to explore the rest of the tabs and the options within them. The Slide Thumbnail pane at the left of the window displays thumbnails of all the slides in your presentation. It is a quick and easy way to view the slides in your presentation and navigate between them. The Slide area is the main section of the PowerPoint window. It allows you to edit the currently selected slide in the Slide Thumbnail pane. On the title slide, click in the title box and type My Presentation. Click on the New Slide button in the Slides group to insert a new slide. The bar at the bottom of the screen is called the Status bar. The Status bar contains tools to check spelling, change the language, check the slideshow for accessibility, and add notes and comments. It also includes the View buttons, which allow you to customize how you view the presentation. The Normal view is the default view, which is currently selected. The Slide Sorter view provides an overview of all the slides. The Reading view lets you view the slideshow within the PowerPoint window, and the Slideshow view opens it in full screen mode for presenting. Now that you've learned how to navigate PowerPoint, you will save and close the presentation. To close the presentation, click on the File tab to open the Backstage view. Here you can access information about PowerPoint files and perform actions on them. Select the Close option. Because you have made changes, you will be prompted to save the changes before continuing. If a dialog box appears with OneDrive as the selected location, click Save to save it to OneDrive, or click More Options to choose a location on the local computer. If the dialog box does not show a location, click Save to open the File Manager. Choose a location where you want to save your presentation. I'll save it to the desktop. Make sure to give your file a meaningful name. Now that the presentation is saved, you can pick it up and start working on it later. Since you've already created a new presentation, you will now learn how to open an existing presentation. To open a presentation, click on the File tab to access the Backstage view, and click on the Open option. The Recent option, which is currently selected, displays the files you opened most recently, organized by the last time you opened each one. The other locations allow you to choose a location to find the file if it's not in the recent list. Click your presentation in the recent list to reopen it. There are a few different ways to present a slideshow. The Start from Beginning button in the Quick Access toolbar starts a slideshow from the first slide. The From Beginning button in the Slideshow tab also starts a slideshow from the first slide. The From Current Slide button starts a slideshow from the slide that is selected in the slide thumbnail pane. The Slideshow View button in the status bar also starts the slideshow from the current slide. Start the slideshow from the beginning with the From Beginning button in the Slideshow tab. If your computer is connected to multiple displays, one display shows the presenter view, which includes the current slide, the next slide, controls, and notes. The other display shows the current slide with some controls in the bottom left corner, which make up the slideshow toolbar. If your computer only has one display, you will only see this screen. The options in the toolbar provide help with presenting. The laser pointer option turns the mouse pointer into a red circle to highlight key information. To use the laser pointer, select the Pointer Options button and then the Laser Pointer option. The pen and highlighter tools let you make annotations while presenting. To add an annotation, select the Pointer Options button again and select the Pen option. Draw a circle around the title to highlight it. To erase an annotation, select the Pointer Options button and then the Eraser tool. Drag the Eraser tool over the annotation. To navigate between slides, you can use the left and right arrows on the keyboard to go forward or backward, or you can press the spacebar or click the mouse to advance the slides. To exit the slideshow view, advance to the end of the slideshow, and advance one more time to go back to the normal view. You can also exit the slideshow at any time by pressing the Escape key. In this video, you defined the most important features of PowerPoint, saved and closed a presentation, opened a presentation, and presented a slideshow. For more information about Microsoft PowerPoint and other computer literacy topics, visit our website at weber.edu/clc.